I said this during debut, but I will try. I want to try for like every week to play a game together, but obviously schedules are hard, so there's no guarantees that I can always play a game with you guys every week. So I want to try at least once a month, but hopefully maybe once a week. But I want to know what games you like. Like, and what games you wanna play. Yeah, play. So I'll maybe after stream I'll put a little question on Twitter and you guys can answer it. I'll be like, what games is the turn? Yeah, this is the turn. What games do you guys like playing or you guys want to play with me? So that way I can know. And you know, I'm always open to suggestions for new games as well. So, yeah. Bunk.